We want to change the font on every single tab, and we want to do it automatically in a pretty simple and easy way. We just need a few lines of AppScript. Go up to Extensions, AppScript, call this project Change Font, and here we'll write a new function called Change to Some Font. And all we have to do is go variable ss equals spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. That's the entire file. Variable sheets is equal to ss dot get sheet with parentheses. Now this gets us a list of every single sheet in the spreadsheet, all of the tabs. And so we go sheets.for each, and here we need to write a little tiny function, which is for every sheet, this is going to be what's called an arrow function. We're going to execute this with a variable called sheet. So we're going to go sheet.getRange, and we're going to go from the very first A1 cell until sheet.getMaxRows. Now again, this is just getting the entire sheet, all of the rows, comma, sheet.getMaxColumns, and this gets us every single cell in the entire sheet. Now we could do get data range here, but that would only change the font in cells where there is data. We may want to change the font for the entire sheet, so even if we add more text later, that font shows up. So now we need to set font family. We just need one family, and this is where you enter in quotes the name of the font you want to change to. So we're going to use Quicksand in this particular case. Now after this is done, if we don't get an error and we want to say, okay, we've actually done this change, we're going to say spreadsheet app.getUI alert, you've changed the font on all sheets. So we're going to get an alert that says that. Now I'm going to save this and I'm going to hit run. It's going to ask me to authorize first, but then it should execute the function. Continue, authorize successfully. And now we go back to our sheet and we say, you've changed the font on all sheets. Okay, have we? There it is. So it did it. There's the font, Quicksand, on all of the sheets. On every single sheet, it's Quicksand everywhere. That's how you change the font on all your tabs. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.